This is about industrial 3D printing, this set, and we're going to have it in as said, two separate panels with three panelists talking. But before we get to that, I'm honored to introduce Congressman Mark Takano, who's going to say a few opening remarks about this session, about the both 3D printing and manufacturing and other topics. So.
Good afternoon. I want to thank Carnegie Mellon University, America Makes, and the Manufacturing Caucus for co-sponsoring this event today. As co-chair of the Congressional Maker Caucus, which is a bipartisan group of lawmakers working to support the maker movement, it is my privilege to host events about exciting new maker technologies. Today we are focusing on 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, which allows makers across the world to create everything from replacement parts for a car to new forms of art. A visit to Vocademy, which is a maker space in my district, first sparked my interest in the maker movement. And also it sparked my interest in 3D printing. I'm amazed by how much the technology has advanced since then. This was just like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Now it is possible to print in glass, metal, and even rock. And last year, when NASA astronauts realized they needed a specific tool, they printed it while they were up in space. Now, 3D printing is part of a revolution in manufacturing that is transforming our lives in many ways. Children are designing and printing their own toys. In fact, we have a member of Congress that doesn't want to buy his kids new toys. They get new toys on the condition they print their own toys, they make their own toys. I won't tell you who it is, but families are personalizing their homes with their own creations. Sculptors are using CAD and printers to create original artwork, and makers are becoming entrepreneurs and taking their freshly printed ideas into the marketplace. This technology is even helping NGOs create affordable prosthetics for children. And if you let me brag a little, I believe I'm still the only member of Congress with a 3D printer in his office. You can come by and check it out for yourself. Go ahead. Recently, I was scanned myself by a professor at Catholic University and had a 3D printed bust made of me. And here it is right here. Even got my hair, it's kind of funny. It's like kind of spiky. I'll just put it right here. You can admire it. That's kind of presumptuous and ghoulish. I mean, usually get those done after you're dead. Now, maybe, well, here's the thing. See all these portraits in here? We actually banned the use of public money to paint these portraits because they'd be quite expensive, $10,000, $20,000. So now members have to, after they've been chairman of a committee and get their portrait hung, they have to raise the money somehow else to get their portrait done. So we can save a lot of money by switching from portraits to busts, right, and do it far less expensively. So this is the meaning of this new technology. There are great opportunities ahead of us. Advancements in 3D printing technology and materials are already driving changes in the manufacturing process, and America has a substantial head start in this field. 3D printing is being used to produce parts and products that are difficult to customize and manufacture in large quantities. And what this means is that America's manufacturing future will focus on giving you exactly what you asked for, not just what is the cheapest to produce. Now, I saw the future, I had a glimpse of the future last week on a tour of my own University of California Riverside lab, where researchers are creating 3D printed building blocks that can be assembled to create custom instruments for biological and chemical testing. They're actually reverse engineering very expensive devices and able to make analogs that are far less expensive. And these instruments can replace far more expensive medical equipment not readily available in developing countries. Today, you will be able to see some of the innovative uses of additive manufacturing. If policymakers can come together in support of this technology, it will be a catalyst that redefines manufacturing and begins a massive reshoring process that creates jobs in America. So we're reversing this offshoring and reshoring manufacturing. I want to thank all of you for being here today and for being part of this movement. I'm excited, you are the future of manufacturing in this country. You are the future of so much innovation. And I'm just excited to be a part of it and introducing my colleagues to all the work that you're doing. So thank you so much.